What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We got Banker back for another video. Hopefully he doesn't offend anybody too badly because you're usually very honest with the ratings.
Somebody's got to be.
That's why today we picked all murdered out trucks because that, we know we can stick to that. All black shouldn't be an issue.
Yeah, I actually have mine here today even.
I know, it was very rare sighting to see Banker's truck. Let's
Well,
jump right into it.
It's winter now, so I had to, put the car away.
That doesn't make any sense. All right, so to keep this rapid fire, we're gonna put 1 minute 30 seconds on the clock, and then we're gonna go through it. Ready? Here we go.
Okay.
All right, so scrolling through the pictures, massive light bar on the windshield.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still a fan of the light bars.
I know, you still rock one, right?
They're still big up here,
Yeah.
Wisconsin's like 6 years behind the rest of the country.
20-inch in the bumper. Looks like he's got probably some aftermarket LED headlights. We don't have a lot of time.
Yeah,
so we gotta read it all.
we got 20 by 12, 35, 12 and a half, so your standard.
Yep. Full master exhaust. He's got subs done.
BDS, Bill. Oh, so he put, okay, so he went with Bilstein leveling struts and then put his
that probably
spacer on
actually
top.
rides really nice, I would imagine.
I would believe that.
He opted for the 5-inch block in the rear too, so it sits a little bit taller in the back.
Well, it can't now, because you got the leveling struts up front.
So do you think this is more like a 7-inch kit then with the leveling strut?
You would almost have to call it a 7-inch.
Well,
yeah.
Well,
no,
all right, okay.
I like these trucks. It's the Sport Edition, which looks a lot better in my mind with, the...
Everything comes color matched that way.
The color match, and it's got the different bumper and everything on it.
Looks like aftermarket taillights too.
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, 7. Simple build, very clean. I like the detail on the wheels. Like the wheels are the most detailed part of the truck. Stands out. Good option. I would add some tint.
Yep, absolutely.
10 seconds. Are we good?
Yeah,
all right,
we're good.
We made her.
He went with Federals, which it looks down like there in Florida. That probably works well. But,
yeah. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, boy. 04 Silverado 2500 fuel hostage, 18 by 12. I just love that size. Like, so small, very wide. Mastercraft tires and a 6-inch Pro Comp.
Corsair AXCs. This is like the typical Wisconsin, like, this dude is he lives on a farm somewhere, wherever he's from.
It's possible. I mean, he's parked on what appears to be a fairway. It's very nice grass, but looks like, is this color matched or is it black?
No, that's color matched. It's got the cowl hood on there, some smoked headlights.
Smoked taillights.
This is like, you guys don't understand how common this truck is up here. This is what you see on the highways everywhere. He's got the 18 by 12s, which is not very popular anymore.
No, but used to be like a very popular size.
Yeah.
Wide enough to give you a lot of stance, but then small enough diameter that on 35 you do still have a significant amount of rubber there. Looks like he's got the fender flares on too.
Yep.
Interesting choice with the all-terrain tires.
And being Mastercrafts, like, it's just interesting. They're not a bad tire by any means. And I just can't see the plate. I don't know what state that is.
I think that's Pennsylvania.
I think so too.
Like, I feel like, I mean, so wheels and tires are under $2,000, which is really slick.
Yeah, easily.
But I feel like I would go with maybe a Toyo or Nitto, or maybe an MT on here. Okay, we only have 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 6.
5.
A little more aggressive tire, I think, would complete the look.
Yes, absolutely.
19 Ram 1500, fuel assaults, oh boy, and a 35 Nitto Ridge Graps, 4-inch CST suspension. You know what, honestly, I'm not mad about the fuel assaults on the 19 Ram. We did so many of them for dealerships here that, like,
yes,
I think we just got burned out by the assaults.
Assaults are a little bit burned out by me. But this sizing, this looks perfect.
I love 35s on a 4-inch.
Yeah, wheel and tire ratio to the vehicle with the lift and everything, it looks perfect.
These have such a, like, the 19s too, I feel like the cab is bigger and like the truck just looks more proportionate. And with the wheels, it all comes together.
Ram, they did a good job. Does he have, major plastic?
Yeah, I was gonna say
there's definitely trimming done to fit those 35s on there. And a CST lift, you don't see those.
No, not a ton.
Not
Texas
the most
truck
popular.
too. It's pretty slick.
But it's a good looking truck. There's not a whole lot you can do to the 19s yet. So he pretty much has done what you can do to them.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, 8. 6.
Yeah.
I really like this truck. I think Ram did a great job on the redesign. The assaults, I think, actually work a lot better on here than I wouldn't have put assaults on a Ram, but now after seeing this, I do like the way they look. Yeah. Only downfall is with these and only having a 12.5-inch wide tire, you actually have part of the wheel that sticks out further than the tire.
Because they're assaults.
Yep.
See, and you're praising them on all of the things that Ram did.
That's true.
So that's where the 6 came in for me.
Yeah,
rammed it.
otherwise it's a very
It's a very good looking truck. It's just
simple
it's a lot
build.
of
Suspension, wheels,
ram.
tires, tint.
Yep. Okay.
Are you mad? Stock suspension 19 Ram, Fuel Warrior 20x9 plus one offset, 285 65s. You know, because sometimes we got to showcase trucks that aren't massive.
No,
This actually
completely
looks a
understand.
lot like a OEM fuel. I was gonna say Fuel Rebel because they have the Fuel Rebel.
Yes.
What I meant to say was Ram Rebel.
It looks exactly like an OE upgraded wheel, which was probably the look he was going for. Honestly, we get these in the shop all the time.
Oh yeah.
You know, people buy them with the base wheels because you get a little bit better price, and so you upgrade the wheels to something that's different. But
Good tire selection on the middle ridge graps, especially if he's doing like I sort of want to go off road, but I don't want to pay for the Rebel kind of look.
got the outdoorsman with the box.
Yeah. I love these headlights, and I love the hoods on here. They like put these 6 scoops in them.
Sport package.
Venting. Is there no trimming to fit this? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, no trimming.
Okay, so he's got the stock off-road package, which gives it a 1-inch lift. Is what this is saying.
Yep.
Oh, but then he
Installed
also,
ready lift 2-inch
2-inch
leveling
leveling
kit. I was gonna say they're 285s. I mean
Yeah.
it's not massive. It's
No.
basically just he made his regular Ram into a Rebel
Yeah.
without the air suspension.
Which is like, plenty of people do that with all different kinds of vehicles. Okay. 3, 2, 1,
6.
8.
8.
I actually really like the way this looks.
Fuller in his stock fitment. That is the thing. This man will always pick stock sizing.
It's just like, I mean, you can't compare it to a SEMA build and give this truck an 8 next to a SEMA build, then it probably get a 4.
Right.
But for like a daily driver, this looks really nice.
I would just go bigger on a daily driver if it was me. I give him points because he upgraded a stock vehicle and it looks a lot better than it did from the stock, obviously.
100%.
But I don't know.
I don't know. I think
would just
wheel
always go
selection's
bigger.
good, tire selection's good. Maybe he's short like me and doesn't want to climb up in a big lifted truck. I mean, you could do like 4-inch on there. I'd still be happy.
See, and that's 4 inches like my favorite daily driver. height.
Okay, 19 Sierra 3500.
Ooh.
RBP Avenger 20x10s, Toyota Open Country MTs, and a 3.5-inch ready lift. Looks like aftermarket taillights. It's a Denali. It's got the Duramax, aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grille, really dark window tint, OEM side steps. Okay.
See, this is a daily driver. That is what I would do.
This is a daily driver that's also got some great utility to it. Like
Yes.
he's got the big bumper on the front. It's a Duramax. He can haul his stuff around.
Yep.
Like,
Simple wheel.
give me this truck and throw a sled deck on it.
Exactly. Done.
Approved.
It's ready to go. Drive it every day.
The big giant chrome bumper piece, though, we got to vinyl wrap it or something.
No. Remember he went.
Oh.
That was just a picture before he put the bumper on.
Well, good. I like.
See, now we got rid of that.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Here.
Fixed. Problem solved.
Done. Here's listening.
Excellent work. Slide over full turn, minor plastic,
Yeah, he probably have to do a NorCal to get it to
Recon
fit
headlights.
perfect.
Yeah. Okay. I can get on board with it.
I'd probably run ridge graphs. I love my Toyo MTs, but for a daily,
For a daily, yeah, you might not want to just deal with the noise and.
where's the ad? British Columbia. There's it, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that says British Columbia. So that would explain the beautiful views.
Mm-hmm. All right. 3, 2, 1,
8
7.
and a half. Again, it just comes. This is what I would drive for a daily. This is
I think
a
this is
very
literally
well done-
like this is. I could definitely see you driving this truck, for sure.
If you want to sell it, let me know.
You're not gonna buy it.
You're right. And not. I'm gonna buy something though.
Oh boy. All right, guys, that's another episode from the gallery. If you want to add your vehicle to the gallery to get featured on here, it's at customoffsets.com/add. That's where you can submit your photos. And then if you don't know what the gallery is, we got all the specs that you ever need on like 70,000 vehicles. So if you want to try to build something, we got pictures of it already done. Trucks. We have a separate thing for cars. You probably heard of them. We're not going to give them a free plug, though.
No. Why would we tell anybody about Fitment Industries?
I'm not going to tell them about Fitment Industries, as long as you don't.
No.
Peace.
Peace.